आइए आपको बराह रास्त इस्लामाबाद लिए चलते हैं, जहां वफाकी वजीर मंसूबा बंदी एहसन इकबाल तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Loss and damage caused by climate-induced disasters. The dedicated fund for loss and damage will address losses and damages in developing countries such as Pakistan and others, which are particularly vulnerable to the adverse impacts of climate change. The consensus decision taken to this effect by the 27 COP in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt, is a momentous achievement, especially for the Group of 77 in China, as the developing countries have been demanding such a fund for the past 30 years. The 2022 floods have shown Pakistan's high vulnerability to climate change, despite contributing less than 1% of global greenhouse gas emissions. And also Maldives is here with us on the panel, which runs the risk of sinking in the rising water of sea. The scale of the disaster is unprecedented in Pakistan, exceeding the damage of the 2010 floods. Around 33 million people, that is 1 in 7, have been affected by the floods, including nearly 8 million displaced. Rain-induced floods, accelerated glacial melt and resulting landslides, hill torrents, flash floods devastated millions of homes and key infrastructure, submerging entire villages and destroying livelihoods of millions of people. The preliminary estimates suggest that as a direct consequence of the floods, the national poverty rate will increase by 4% approximately, pushing.
वफाकी वजीर मंसूबा बंदी एहसन इकबाल तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं। उनका कहना है कि सैलाब से $30 अरब का नुकसान हुआ। पाकिस्तान ने डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट के हवाले से बेहतरीन काम किया। न्यूज़ स्टूडियो से अब तक के लिए इतना ही। मजीद अपडेट्स के लिए देखते रहिए कोहिनूर न्यूज़।